Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live. Uh, Today is January 18th, 2026. And before we start, I want to just give a short introduction about myself. My name is Samira Farheen. I live in New Jersey, United States, with my family. I previously worked as a healthcare professional. Now I'm a stay at home mom to three amazing kids and a full time online digital business owner. Today, my guest is Irene Negret. So let's hear from her what it's like to be in this business. Please welcome Irene.
Hi,
Hello,
Samira. Good morning. How are you doing?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. Thank you for inviting me on your
Thank you so
page.
much for coming on my page.
Of course.
So, would you like to introduce yourself to our audience?
Hi, sure. Hello, everyone. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever part of the world you're watching from right now. My name is Irene. I'm a mother of three young adults, originally from the Philippines and currently residing here in New York. And I am working as a full-time nanny and also running my digital business as well on the side. And yes, we are here with Samira.
Yeah, interesting. So, Irene, we know that you are working, but
Yeah.
what was your why and why did you join this business?
Well, Samira, um, as a single mother and living here in the United States is not that easy, and single income is not that sufficient to provide everything that you need, And before I enter in this, before I join in this business, I already tried different stuff like different side hustle or as we
Hmm.
call that. I tried a
Yeah.
lot of ventures to help
Hmm.
me to support to
Hmm.
support me to provide for my
Yeah.
family, right? And aside from that, I'm working for very long hours. I don't stop. I mean, my life is work home. I work 7 days a week, you know
Hmm.
my full-time job is Monday to Friday, but I still working on the weekends for my part-time jobs because I have a lot of bills. I have three children to feed, but now they are all grown up and some of them are helping me, but still, I still have family back home. I still have mother back home that I need to help.
Yeah.
So,
Hmm.
and it's not that easy. And aside from that, I've been separated for my kids for very, very long time. It's like more than a decade, you know.
Oh.
So when they reunite here with me in United States, the situation is still the same.
Hmm.
It's just we didn't even much have those quality time because I'm at work most of the time. When I
Right.
leave my home, they are sleeping. When I
Mm.
come back at home, they are about to sleep and I'm too tired already. I need to sleep too because I need to get out of the house so early in the morning. So the routine is keep draining me, exhausting, frustrating. Everything is like I need something. And then pandemic happens, right?
Hmm.
And then the
Yes.
story is the same. When pandemic, I need to leave together
Hmm.
with my boss because I'm working as a nanny and I
Correct.
cannot keep going back home because we cannot be contagious
Yeah.
or I need to live with my boss family, leave
Mhm.
behind my own children, living they live on their own here in Queens or in New York where we live, and I just send order food online because we live outside on the city like in the Hamptons
I
you know
see.
so
Hmm.
it's really really hard by that time. I already thinking about something need to change. I tried a lot of ventures, but it doesn't work because I don't have anything of knowledge about entrepreneurship. I've been working all my life as a housekeeper and a nanny.
Hmm.
So doing some stuff in computer or something like this is not me. I
Yeah.
mean, it's not my thing. So, but I don't want to just stuck on this situation, of course I'm thinking something else. I just
Mm.
I already keep telling myself I just really need something, a little help, that I don't need to work my Saturday and Sunday, just to stay home and keep earning. That is,
Right.
on my mind. And then I got diagnosed. So I am a cancer survivor too. So
Oh.
that thing keeps trying to keep pushing me hard. You need to do something. You need to keep
Oh.
doing something.
Mm.
You need a change, you know.
Mm.
So yeah, that's when I found this digital business in the middle of that in the
Oh,
middle of that chaos. So
I
I am here
see.
now and no turning back.
No turning back. Yes, because this business is for people like us, because we need something as a side hustle that can
True.
be, replace our actual full-time job. You
True.
know, this is have this business have a lot of potential. At least we know that.
Yes.
So, can you tell something about what we are actually doing in this business? And as you told that you've been trying other ventures, so how is this different from other business models?
Oh yeah. In here in this business, we are doing a digital business marketing attraction, right? We help people like us, to create a real change in their lives, to earn extra income on our own terms, just like what I want, right? And give our families the better lives we think that they deserve. Through our proven working system, we empower individuals just like us to take control of their future. We don't sell products or chase people, but we offer a digital program built on systematic approach, equipped with a world-class training and a free educational classes that designed to help us grow our own skills and managing our own business. Just like me, Sumira, when I start in this business, I don't even know how to do copy pasting. I keep bothering my children to help me to do some stuff, but when they told me that if you want to do this business, you have to learn, and you have to teach yourself how to do it on your own, mother. you know and the best part, we are never alone. We have the support of our personal mentor, our dedicated coach, and a global community that walks with us every step of the way. And our role as a business owner, we share this amazing, incredible opportunity with people that like us, thinking of a future for our family, like a business, like a like-minded people that we have the same dreams and determination. We do this by reaching them through
Mm.
every social media platform, inspire them to take the first step toward their transformation, that like what happened to us.
Right. That's true.
Yeah.
That's actually very different from other business model
And
because,
very different.
yeah, you don't
Just
get
like
that
what I
kind of.
told you, I've been in the different ventures. Just they give you this, do it on your own. That's it. They take my money, give it the thing, and just do it on your own. But here, I think the difference of this business from any other business, and I am so proud of the community.
Correct. Yeah.
Because aside from the training that you keep going back and forth, you keep learning, we have this community that we started from strangers.
Right.
All those business partners, just like you and me, like my business partners, we started as a strangers, but we connect. We built a relationship, just like in our team, just like in our community. We help each other. We are
Right.
not competing to each other, but we help each other to lift each other to
Right.
thrive. So that is so different to
Yes.
any other.
Yeah.
I cannot see any business community like this before.
Yeah. That's true.
Every single time I'm so excited, because in my team we have this accountability team that we are doing live every Sunday. Every Sunday I'm so excited. because I'm going to see them and connect
Right,
with them and talk different stories and different topic and different conversation about how you grow as a person, you
right.
know.
That's so true. I really agree with you. Yeah, so speaking of the community and the, coaches, and how did mentorship and all that helped you in this
Oh
journey?
yeah. Like I said, when I start this business, I don't know anything. I don't know
Yeah.
anything. And I'm so glad and I'm so thankful to our Coach Amna, that she's always there. I know she's so busy. Sometimes I don't want to bother her, but what we can do, we don't know how
Yeah.
to, but she's always there,
Is always there.
she's always there helping us, thousands of business owners to do this business. And that is what we call the relationship in this,
Yeah.
that I am proud of. And aside from that, we have these 2,000 business owners in our business, in our community, that always there for us.
Yes.
If our coach is not available, then we have our mentor. If our mentor is not available, then the community. Ask something. Ask
Yeah,
in the group. Everyone will answer you truthfully. You know.
that's so
So
true. Yeah.
you always get help.
Yeah.
And our training is incredible, Samira.
Mhm.
You're gonna know everything that you
Yes.
need to learn in the training. And if you're busy and if you don't have much time, then you can go back because it's a video base.
That's
Plus, plus, we have these educational classes for all business owners around the world every Tuesday and Thursday, and it's for free because, like, you know, digital and online stuff is always updating, so we need to be updated too. And it's for
yes.
free. We don't pay for it, So
Yeah.
all the
It's very
help, yeah,
informative. Yes.
all the help that you need to, to run your own digital business is already provided. So
Yeah.
it's there's no reason to
Yeah.
not to be
And it's not
successful.
just US, it's global, right? So
Yeah,
you
yeah,
have a
true.
global support actually here.
Mm-hmm.
So you're not never left alone. You're always guided, supported. I haven't
Yeah,
seen anywhere else this kind of, strong community support
true,
that
true.
that is here. So, tell me one thing. I'm really curious. Like, I know you're so busy working. How do you find time, to do this business?
Well, that's the best question. Yeah, we are that you know what? That's why I really love this business, because you can do this business anytime and anywhere,
Mhm.
because this is fully digital online. As long that you have your phone with you, then you can run your own business. Everything is on your phone. Well, if I'm at home, then I do my laptop because it's a bigger screen. But every time I'm out, it's just, I have a, you know what? I always said my business is in my pocket. I always bring it with me because
Right.
everything is already, you know, we all have internet everywhere. We have free
Yes.
Wi-Fi even the subway, even in the bus.
Mm.
So you can run your own business even while you're sitting on the train or while you're sitting on the bus or while you're hanging out outside and waiting for something. You can do it on your own free time. That's why it's not so hard for me. Even I'm at work,
Mm.
I'm sneaking out.
That's you don't
Even
need a fixed schedule for this
true.
business.
No,
Small
no.
pockets of time is more than enough
Yes, yeah,
here
that
and
that's
there.
why this is you don't you know that is this is really fit to every, I'm just saying to every mom,
Mm.
because even you are working home, even you are working mom or a stay-at-home mom, this is exactly what we need,
Yeah.
to run, to own
Yes.
a business anytime and anywhere on your own flexible time, you
That's
know.
right. Yeah. All you need is your smartphone and
Mm.
Wi-Fi and
And
your
all you need is your patience, your determination, and your focus and your willingness to change and to give
Yes,
your family and yourself a better life, you know.
that's very true. So, what would you like to advise to our audience who are looking and still on the fence, thinking if this is for them or no?
Yes. I would like to tell you guys, I didn't tell you that this business is easy, because there's a lot of effort, of course. We do. Um, even if you're not doing any business, you need a focus and effort and patience before before you receive a good results. But this business is a huge potential, and I would advise you, keep going, be consistent, learn, ask, ask help, because that's nothing wrong to ask help, right, Samira? Right?
Yeah,
So
we are always here to answer all
yes,
the questions.
ask help, ask question, accept what you need to know and what you need to learn, because some people, they think they are really really smart, and I experience a lot of people like that, and they don't want to accept help. But in this business, you have all these people. I mean, you have all this community to help you, to succeed. And
Yes,
I advise you, just take this first step. All you have to do is learn our training. We have this free video, free webinar every Tuesday and Thursday. Just sign up on our website to get the access. That is the first step. And if this business is for you, don't hold back.
yeah,
Follow your instinct, and we are here to help you.
yes. We are here for everyone who is watching us. So take that first step, everyone. Don't hold back. The more time you think, you'll be at loss.
True, true.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Irene. It was so inspiring to hear from you, your experiences.
You're very welcome, Samira. See you
Thank you.
inside. See you around. Bye.
Thank
Bye,
you, guys.
everyone.
Thank you for
Bye bye.
stopping by on my page. I'll see you next time on my with my other guest. Okay, take care. Bye bye.